Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Bears vs Babies. To set up, lay out the playmat in the middle of the table. Give one bear hit card to each player and shuffle the remaining in with the rest of the deck. Deal 4 cards to each player. Players look at their own card but hide them from others. If you were dealt any cards with Baby in the title, then place those cards face down on their matching color, then draw replacement cards until you have 5 again. Repeat if you draw more baby cards. Once drawing has stopped, divide the remaining cards into roughly 3 equal piles and place them face down here. Pick a player to go first and then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you can do one of 3 things: take actions, provoke, or dumpster dive. Take actions are based on the number of players. 4 actions for a 2-player game, down to 2 actions for a 4 or more player game. As one action, you can either play a card or draw a card. To play cards, you build monsters face up in front of you. Monsters must start with a hit, and you connect body parts to the monster by lining up the stitches on the card. You don't have to complete a monster before you can start building another one. The number on each body part card indicates the card's strength. Add up all the numbers of all the body parts together to determine the monster's total strength. To draw a card, take the top card from any of the 3 piles and add it to your hand. If that card is a baby card, immediately add it face down to the proper colored pile. This still counts as a draw action. There are some cards that have special abilities. Simply follow instructions on the card to use them. Instead of taking actions on your turn, you can choose to provoke the babies by saying, "Provoke." Pick a colored baby army and flip over all the cards in that army and add up all the numbers together. There are 3 types of monsters as determined by the colored icons on their head: land, sea and sky, which match the types of the baby armies. Bear heads are all 3 types. All your monsters of the same type fight together in an army and add up their combined strength. When a baby army is provoked, all monster armies of the matching baby army type of all players fight the baby army. The player with the monster army of the highest strength goes against the babies. And if the strength is equal to or greater, then that player wins and collects all the babies. If no player's monster army is stronger than the baby army, then the baby army is discarded. At the end of the battle, no matter who won, all players must discard all their monsters of the same type as the baby army that was provoked. You do not need to have any monsters of the same type you provoke if you don't want to. Instead of taking actions or provoking, you can dumpster dive. Take 1 card from the discard pile and add it to your hand. After taking actions, provoking, or dumpster diving, you end your turn and the next player clockwise goes. If a draw pile runs out, do not reshuffle but leave it empty. When the last card in the last draw pile is drawn, then each player gets 1 final turn. The player with the most babies, as determined by adding up all their number together, wins. And that's how you play Bears vs Babies. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.